Hey you guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nicole, and today I wanted to come on and share with y'all that I am about to use the new Pedi spa that I shared with you guys that I got from Aldi's. I was just gonna come on and show you guys like what I use when I get ready to do my pedicure and what I put in the water for the foot spa, the heated foot spa. I'm so excited, I cannot wait. I have all of my tools here. I have the new Onyx Stone Sugar Foot File that's double-sided that I showed you guys that I found at Dollar Tree. I have all my nail tools, like this is a cuticle remover in this end, and then these are just like different tools for like your toes. This is like a file so you could file like the tip of your toenails. And I have my toenail clippers. I've got some cuticle softener. I have my all natural heel healer. I got this from an organic store. It's called Zerbos, and they sell like all natural organic type of stuff. And I picked this up from there because I have really dry heels, and this stuff is really good. You can also use this to soften your toenails before you cut them, and it says right here, use also on nails to hydrate and soften them before trimming. You can use them on toenails or your nails, and I have that ready. I have this that I put on the heel of my feet too. Got my foot scrub, so I'm gonna soak for a few minutes, and then I'm gonna scrub my feet with this. It's the Bolero Peppermint plus Eucalyptus foot scrub, and I have my scrub brush ready here. In my water, I like to put bath bombs. I know they're for the bath, but I always pick up, just put a little piece in it just for the scent and stuff like that. I put a little bit in my foot baths. So I'm going to break a bit of this Boticology Coconut Hibiscus Bubble Bath Bar into my foot spa also. And I usually put, gosh, I meant to show you guys, but I usually put Listerine in my foot spa. The Listerine will take off like all the dead skin on your feet, but I recently heard that this Bragg's organic apple cider vinegar is good for soaking your feet in. So I'm gonna try this out for the first time, so I'm gonna put a little bit of that in there as well. And I think that's everything. When I'm done, I'm gonna polish them. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my hot water in here, get my bath bomb in there, and go ahead and get started. All right, so now I am about to add some hot water, not super hot. And I'm going to shave off some of the bath bar into the water. I only added a little water at this point. I'm going to add more after this. So yeah, I'm just shaving some off into the water. Now I'm adding the apple cider vinegar to the water. I'm shaking it up because you want to get all the stuff that settles at the bottom of the bottle. You want to make sure that gets into the water. So that's why I shook it up first. So now I'm just pouring it on both sides just so it could be throughout the whole tub. Now I'm just adding the rest of my water so it can all mix up and the bath bar can kind of dissolve and soak in some of that water a bit before I put my feet in. So I'm just using my Pedi foot scrubber to just stir it all up. And now I'm going to pour just a little bit more of the apple cider vinegar. So I let it heat up for a bit. It did not take long at all to get hot. I was rolling my feet on the massage rollers and this felt so good. I had it on the setting number 3, which is bubbles and heat, and it was just amazing. So update. And I know it looks a little tinted, but it's not because my feet was dirty. It's from the apple cider. This thing, you guys, it's been literally 30 minutes. And this is so hot. I have not been able to keep my feet in it over 5 minutes. So I had to go get some cold water. I'm going to pour some cold water in it and try to put my feet back in it. Oh, my skin did come off. I can see it. So that apple cider did work. I can see that it did take some of my skin off. But I was only able to stay in it for 5 minutes. So past the next few minutes that I've been out of it, I was like cutting my toenails, filing them and all that stuff. So now I'm ready to stick them back in there. I'm going to stick them in there for another 5 minutes. And then I'm going to start scrubbing them. I'm going to use this too and my scrub brush for my toes, and then use this for my heels. But yeah, this thing stays hot so long. It's been over 30 minutes. It's still super hot. It's so hot I need to add cold water. Like, oh my gosh, I can't believe it. But it felt so good. It just was a little too hot. So I'm going to cool it down just a bit and get back in here. What I just realized, I thought I had turned it off, but you can see here it says number 2 heat, and I had it on number 2 and not 0. Oh my god. So that's why it's been so hot. So I didn't put too much cooler water, but it's just so hot because I've had it sitting on hot for 30 minutes. No wonder. Oh my gosh. There is a max fill line, so I can still add more water in here. It's not to the max yet. I'm hoping this cools it down because it's so hot. No wonder I was freaking boiling my feet. Oh my god. Okay, let's give this another try. Did my foot scrub, scrubbed my whole entire foot really good. It got nice and sudsy and I didn't have to use a lot. I have it on bubbles right now. Not the heat because it feels really good this way. Just got done you know, taking my foot out of the spa, y'all. I sanitize all of my tools with this 91% alcohol. I buy a regular like spray bottle from the Dollar Tree. I take the nozzle off and I just add it to the alcohol bottle itself. And I actually just found 91%, you guys, at Family Dollar. I haven't seen this since COVID began. Only 70%, but this is what I usually use to clean off my nail tools. So anyways, yeah, I just spray them so they're all sitting over here wet with alcohol now. So I let them sit and dry. Now I am about to put on these Pedi socks. I've shared these with you guys a long time ago, like a while back. You guys can go find that video. If I don't forget, I'll link it. But these Pedi socks, they keep your toes out, so like this, so you can polish your toenails and keep your feet warm and cozy at the same time. So I'm about to put these on so I can go ahead and polish my feet while keeping them warm. And also, I not only want to keep them warm, but I want to keep in the lotion and the oils that I have on my feet. This is just a regular lotion that I just put in this old bottle. It's mixed with some cuticle oil because I usually use it on my hands, but I put this in my hand and then I poured a few drops of this and I just rub this all over my feet. They're so soft. They feel so good. You guys, that apple cider vinegar is the deal. Get y'all some Bragg's apple cider vinegar. You might can get the cheap apple cider vinegar like at Walmart. I think they sell a bottle for about $2, a big bottle. But the video I seen, they were using the Bragg's and I already had that. But y'all, it worked so good. It took all the dead skin off of my feet. Like, it cleaned my feet really good. And if I sound farther away, it's because I scooted back a little so I could put these Pedi socks on. Yeah, that stuff worked it amazing. So I think that's going to be my new thing now. Instead of the Listerine, I usually do the Listerine and it works well. So if you already have that at home, you've already got your Pedi spot at home, you don't want to go out and buy any apple cider vinegar, just use your Listerine. But oh my god, I love this spa, y'all. I cannot believe it stays heated. Like, as long as you want it to stay hot, it stays hot. And it was amazing. You need it. If you haven't picked it up yet, go find it. So like I said, right now I'm gonna polish my nails. I was thinking about this color. I'm trying to debate on a regular polish or do I want to gel polish them. I'm not completely sure. Alright, also I decided to go with gel polish because it will dry quick. and I want my toes to hurry up and dry so I can go get under my cozy blankets, lay down and watch my Atlanta Housewives, okay? Because I'm behind. It's also Christmas. I don't know if I even said that in the beginning of the video. Merry Christmas, you guys. This is what I'm doing today on Christmas, is giving myself a pedicure. But yeah, that's what I wanted to do today, was just relax most of the day, eat, soak my feet, and watch some good old reality TV. So I'm gonna go with this color, this beautiful like burgundy-ish, reddish like color. I think it's so pretty, so I hope it turns out nice. I have my, let's see if I can take you guys off. I have my LED lamp set up right here. And if you guys didn't know, that if your LED lamp comes apart, that's the bottom. It's because when you're doing a pedicure, you take the bottom off, so your feet will just rest underneath it on the floor. You don't put your feet on this part. It's only for your hands. So that's why that comes off easily. These are the socks. They're very comfy, very warm, and I decided to go with these striped colored ones since it was Christmas today. So yeah, let me go ahead and polish and get started. Okay, you guys, so I am all done. Polished my toes with my Model 1s. It was my first time using it. The nail polish, this is really, really thick. I did 1 foot and I only dipped this once or maybe twice. But I was able to do all 5 toes off of that 1 to 2 dips. That's how thick it is, and I only did 1 coat since it was really thick. So yeah, that's it, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big old thumbs up. If you are new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell. All of you guys that were looking for the Pedi heated pedicure foot spa at Aldi's, let me know in the comments if you guys were able to find it. And yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in the next video.